So, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. First, I would like to thank to Gerd and Volker, Mr. Lee, and everybody your time and this perfect chance for TOPNC. This is the first time TOPNC presenting at EMO. We have our booth, and this is our great pleasure to have this chance to show to you about TOPNC. Okay, this is my topic, how TOPNC start from aviation and aerospace field and to general market, and how we plan to going global. Something wrong with this? Okay, thank you. Okay, I would like to introduce about TOPNC because maybe I already see a lot of old friends here. We cooperate a lot in China, but for European people, and you may know nothing about TOPNC. So, okay, I will tell you the story. Here you can see TOPNC actually is quite young, only 18 years old, but we are growing very fast, and we are quite satisfied with our sales volume in 2024. And actually, TOPNC always focus on 5-axle machines, high-end machines. So we are ranking #1 in 5-axle machine sales volume in China market. So TOPNC always invest a lot because since we focus on high-end machines, we need a really good R&D and technology development. Totally, we have 3 productions in China and over 50,000 square meters. In China, we have almost the key customers in the aviation and the aerospace is our customers, and now we already expand our business into the general marketing. Okay, now you can see the 2 parts. Before 2015, TOPNC just focus on the civil aviation and commercial space. We have the manufacturing equipment, the professional manufacturing equipment, and our 5-axle machine tools and production lines. So we can produce the commercial rocket body and the rocket tank, and also the aircraft fuselage and the skin. And then later, start from 2020, we really use all the technology and our process experience into the general market. So you can see we have 2 production, very shining product series, compact 5-axle machines, military machines, and the large 5-axle machining with composite structure. Later, I will introduce in details to you. Okay, we have a wide range of products, series and solutions. And the Loong Series, as you can see, is a big machines and production lines, and for the civil aviation solutions. And the Pantone Series and Kunpeng Series all focus for the general market use. Okay, since we start to go to the general market, TOPNC try to build very strong branding in China and to develop our channel network in China market. As you can see in this year, in CMT, we have 500 square meters booth and show 6 to show 6 our new products. And we also organized a new products launch event during the CMT. And on the other hand, we already developed in the just a short 3 years, we developed over 20 dealers, just our channel network. And we have our channel agent team cooperate effectively with as our external sales channel for our business development. Okay, this is our typical customer reference. As you can see, we have our customers just covered many fields like commercial space, shipbuilding, education, general manufacture, and new energy vehicles, and humanoid robot components. Just in the morning, some visitors to our booth, we talk about the humanoid robot components because this is the new emerging field. A lot of people just very interested in this. Okay, here you can see we have the technology, process, and software advantage here. We have our excellence center, our pre-sales technical support center, our showroom, and the training academy. And actually, our R&D team also can provide the intelligence measurement control and the intelligent software for the manufacturing. Okay, about the service, it's China speed. And we also have our enough spare parts availability and 24 hours we promise to our customers. Okay, let's come to the second part. Why TOPNC want to go to expand the business into the general manufacturing, not only civil aviation and commercial space? Because we already take the leading market position. Even TOPNC is quite low profile, but so far we just try to expand our business and have a strong branding. So we already ranking top 3 in 5-axle machine tool sales in China in the past 3 years. And we have very strong R&D team. We have only 500 employees, but over 40% is R&D and technical person. Our founder is from the famous university in China, Shanghai Jiao Tong University. He's a professor. He's really pay special attention to the technical and R&D. And third, we already get quite rich experience in the civil aviation and commercial space, so we now can use them for the general purpose machine tools. Okay, now come to our shiny products line, Kunpeng Series. I may explain a little bit about Kunpeng. Kunpeng is actually from the China mythological, actually it's the China mythological giant bird. In this, this bird lives in the sea and looks like a big fish, but when it flies to the sky, then become a big bird. So we separate Kun and Peng, because Kun, we have our milling tendon machine, 5-axle milling tendon machine, and horizontal machine, and vertical machine. And for the Peng project, we have our in-house independent R&D. So for all the key components, we produce by ourselves, the R&D and produced by ourselves. And we also have our own 5-axle CNC control system used on our machine. Okay, here you can see all the small and medium-sized components our general machines can produce. And even you can see some new emerging industries like optical and semiconductor and medical devices and humanoid robots. Here is another shining part. It's our Pantone series. Yeah, Pantone series actually is also another story with German company. TOPNC in 2018, we merged famous, actually also famous EW. I'm not sure everybody knows this, but EW. This company has a very unique technology. They use the carbon fiber components as the machine structure. Then the machine the whole machine can be very light and fast and high accuracy. So TOPNC and the EW, we have the joint R&D. In China, we launched 3 models, new models in China. One is ultra high speed, one is ultra high precision, one is the ultra large span. All the technical data you can see on the screen. Compare with the traditional gantry machine, you can see the speed just increase a lot, and accuracy 10 times, and the span 2 times. This is okay. This is our high-speed machine used in our customer side. it's interesting because on one side is our some competitor machine, traditional gantry machine, and on the other side is TOPNC high-speed machine. And you can see the speed just double the another one. Okay, the last part, we are now planning to going global. This is our current business network. So in China, our headquarters is in Shanghai, and we have 2 productions in Shanghai and 1 production in Zhejiang province. Totally, we have 7 branches in China, and the EW now is in Hamburg. Okay, then you can see our ambitious map. For the next years, we really plan a lot of marketing activities globally. For all their famous machine tour exhibitions, we plan to join, like AMB and MTS, Jimtov, of course, EMO. We are quite confident for going global because we have the partners from global famous brand like Siemens, Heidenhain, Schonk, Bloom, not only international but also famous Chinese brand. Here like water, maybe we will also start and Xiamen Jinglu. I see some partners waiting, sitting here. Okay. Not only for marketing and sales cooperation, for all the partners, we also try to have the cooperation for the production and for the technical, for the R&D and the service. And then we think we can be successful for the globalization. Why? The key point, I think, first, our company culture. Just like I mentioned, our founder is a professor from Jiao Tong University, and all our technical team from the famous universities in China, or most are doctors, masters, and all the experts in the machine tool industry. And so our company culture is innovative, dynamic, and open-minded. And on the other hand, now there are a lot of employees from the international machine tool companies. Just like me, I worked in DMG, United Grinding, Michelin for several years, and I think now just 10% from the international companies working TOPNC now. So we have an international management team and system. And of course, I already emphasized R&D many times. And the third is our product strengths. Like the mirror milling machine, TOPNC is the only one in China can offer, and the carbon fiber components machine also. So in the world, just a few companies can provide. Okay, I already got some candidates this morning and chat with some channel companies. TOPNC now is looking for the channel partner globally. And if anybody interested, maybe you can come to me because I'm responsible for the overseas business development. And last but not least, because I promised to help our Xinzhuang Industrial Park to make a small advancement here. Xinzhuang Industrial Park is quite famous in Shanghai, and they have so many international companies already invest and have factories, office there. And also, especially, they have a lot of companies in the machine tool industry there. So we have a lot of partners around TOPNC in this industrial park. Okay, that's all. So thank you for everybody, and welcome to our booth at Hall 12 and our booth number B58. So any further communication, maybe you can discuss later, or welcome to our booth. Okay, thank you.